viva! Viva! Viva Communist Party, viva! Viva! Viva COSATU, viva! Viva! Long live ANC Youth League, long live! Long live! Long live SASCO, long live! Long live! Long live COSAT, long live! Long live! Long live YCL, long live! Long live! Amanda! Thank you, comrades. We are going to start with our march to Chamber of Mines. And that's where we are going to read our demand to the mining bosses. So we are asking that all of you, comrades, you must cooperate with marshals. There must be maximum discipline. And even if you've got a bottle of water, you must share with another person. If you have a can of coke, you must share with another person. Every little resource we have, we must share together, because we are all from poor backgrounds. From here, comrades, from Chamber of Mines, we are marching to Sandton, Johannesburg Stock Exchange. So we are not going to run, comrades. We must walk nicely, take your time. There is nobody who is going to push us.